Keep pushing. There it goes.
You did it. I pushed it over. I'm gonna. Oh, is this recording? I'm gonna back this up, so I gotta.
I'll move it.
Here, let's record my house because mine's coolest. Yeah, get some footage of that.
That piece of
Stand on my feet.
That's the good stuff over there.
No, that's the old one. He didn't even put any care into that one. He didn't seal your logs right.
He sealed them just fine.
No, he gave me the good logs.
Our 0 followers don't care about you all.
I bet he thought, like, I know probably Cody's gonna live here.
That's not true.
That's not true. You take that back. You take it back. Are you ready? No, nothing's hooked up.
A great success.
Yeah, buddy.